Welcome, in front of me is a POCO F8 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, turn on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is going to be under this case. So let's just yank that off and find it at the bottom. There we go. So we can see here is our tray. So insert area is going to be part of this cutout. You want to push it in, and you can see it pops out enough for you to just pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for just 2 SIM cards. So you can place either one on whichever side you want, if you're planning to use just one, or obviously one on each side. I do also want to point out this device does support, I believe, eSIM. I'm going to check it in a second. Now anyway, once you have the card in place, you want to pop it back in. Before I actually do so, I'm going to check this right now. So I'm going to go into the, not this settings. For God's sakes, where's the settings here? There we go. And mobile connectivity options, and have anything about eSIM here? We do. So this matters here. As you can see, I placed my card on the top tray. And this matters because if you're planning to use eSIM, which you can do by toggling on the this option, it tells us that we need to basically disable the SIM number 2, which is this one. They're labeled, so you can just read it off there. But you can basically use 1 SIM card and 1 eSIM, or 2 SIM cards. So depending on if you're planning to use an eSIM, just know that the bottom tray always becomes at that point unavailable to you. Anyway, let's just pop that back in here, and when you do so, the card should start working. There we go, right away. So I'm going to confirm my SIM card pin to unlock it, and that's it. You can see it's now plugged in, works right away, and that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.